Hey guys, what's up? Just a real quick video here. I have with me the new DJI Neo little selfie drone. It's pretty cool. I played with it a little bit. I haven't really got the chance to really test it out, and I've always wanted to know how good tracking goes on these, especially one with no obstacle avoidance sensors. I have the Mini 2 and it can't do following, tracking, whatever you want to call it, because it doesn't have the sensors. So, but DJI, I guess with this, decided maybe the AI obstacle avoidance is good enough. I've seen a couple people with some success. I've seen some where it kind of struggled, but a lot of those were when it was dark outside. Obviously, it's not right now. It's middle of the day. It's bright and sunny, and I have to go mow my grass a little bit before winter just to knock it down. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. I'm going to let it follow me for a little while. Obviously, it doesn't fly for very long, but we'll see how it goes. Obviously, I'm wearing a blue shirt, so I think the contrast is going to help out a lot. A lot of my grass is brown because it's hot season grass, and now it's starting to cool down. So first frost, it died pretty quick, but I'll get the mower ready. I'll put it in the air. Let's see how well it does. All right, so now we've got the Neo. The mower's warmed up, about ready to go. I'm gonna go ahead and do the double turn on of the drone. It's gonna do its little turning on-y thing. And I'm not using the app. Just want everybody to know, I'm not using the app. What I'm using is just the buttons on the top. So it's on tracking. So I'm gonna get it in the air and see how well it does following me while I'm riding on the mower. Follow. Whew. It's moving around a lot. It's windy today, so I wasn't sure how well it would do. Let's test it. Let's go over here. See if it can handle the wind around the house. Because it is kind of windy today. Oh, sorry. It's kind of windy. So, it's struggling a little. But it is following me. So, I'm going to go ahead and give it a try and see how well it does. Coming. It sure is coming. Like I said, it's kind of windy, so it's kind of struggling, but it is coming with me, so pretty neat. Okay, I'm gonna put the phone down and do a pass, and we'll see how well it does. It's pretty bumpy out here, but you can see Theo's still coming along with me. I have a very bumpy yard. We just moved in about 11 months ago. It's a new build, so the builders did not smooth out the back half of our property, so it's really bumpy to mow. But as you can see, Theo is just trucking along back there. See, I'm taking turns and it's just staying focused on me, so that's pretty cool. I know it doesn't have the most battery life, so I'm probably going to end this circle and then land it if it doesn't land on its own. Alright, I just finished up a pass. Come here. I don't know if I can't reach it. You didn't get close enough. Come here. Come here. I'm trying to get it to move a little closer to you, but it won't. That's alright. I'll hop off and then just put your hand under it and it lands. So, that's pretty cool. I'll try it out some more. Make sure you like and subscribe to the video, and I'll do some more tests of what the DJI Neo can do. Thanks for watching. Love you guys. Bye.